Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this ceiling fan for viewing purposes. Let me take it out of the box, okay? It comes with all the pieces that you need to install it. This is the instruction manual. It has a really nice design. It comes with the receiver and the transmitter, which is really nice. And these are the proper fan blades. It comes everything really well protected, as you can see, which is nice. And as you can see, these wood blades have a black design, which I think it's really nice. They are really smooth and I think they are nicely sized. So let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how it works. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed and I think it looks amazing. All the materials feels of a really nice quality and I like a lot the solid wood fan blades, which I think they are great. You get the remote control, which you can control that like regular. You have a 6-speed DC motor, which I think it's nice, and you can reverse it so we can be used the fan on summer or winter time, however you like it. Okay, it also has a natural wind mode, so it stays cool on the room, and you can have the sound of the clicking muted. As you can see, it mutes and you can unmute it, which I think it's great. You can set it up for up to 8 hours so it turns off automatically. And what I like about this ceiling fan is that you have an extra control remote, but this one you can place it on the wall and it be steady on, just like if it was a AC unit controller, which I think it's great. And as you can see, it turns on. It have a screening here, and we can select the simple speeds of the fan with it, having the same function, which I think it's great. And overall I like it a lot. It's really easy to use. It's great that it comes with this other controller, and overall I like it a lot and I will really recommend it. See you guys.